Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all fine. So today we are going to start our first lecture that is about our first chapter map. And in this we shall try to cover main topics like what is the map, uses of map, and types of map. Dear students, close your eyes for 20 seconds and imagine about your room. Imagine where is the door, cupboard, window, all furniture. And then make imaginary picture of your room. This picture is called a map of your room. What is a map? Dear student, a map is an image of an area, usually of the earth or part of the earth. The word map can also be used to talk about a chart or drawing that shows relationships between ideas, people, events, or anything else you can think about. Maps attempt to represent various things like political boundaries, physical features, road, topography, population, natural resources, and cultural activities. What are the uses of map? A map gives a minute depiction of a very large space. It acts as a guide in places which we have never visited before. They give us the distance into places, mountains, rivers, railway stations, airports, etc. We can use map to locate places on the surface of the earth, to show pattern of distribution of natural and man-made phenomena, to compare and contrast map information and discover relationship between different phenomena. With a map, one does not have to depend on anybody for a local directions. It acts as direction finder for a very small price. Dear student, our next topic is types of maps. There are three types of maps like a political map, physical map, and relief map. Political map. Dear students, a political map does not show any topographic features. It shows only states, boundaries of countries, and cities. They also include the locations of cities. For example, a common type of political map would be World Atlas. Physical map. Physical maps often include much of the same data found on a political map, but their primary purpose is to show landforms like deserts, mountains, and plains. Physical maps use colors, symbols, and textures to show physical features. For example, the physical map shows all type of water bodies with blue color. Normally on physical maps, green shows lower elevation while brown show high elevation. Same as tree symbols used to show the forest. Third one is relief map. A map indicating hills, mountains and valleys by shading rather than by contour lines alone. A relief map is actually that map which shows the physical appearance of the ground. It tries to show where hills, mountains, ridges, valleys, slopes, cliffs, and other variation in slopes are. For example, mostly it is used to show the heights and width of the mountains and hills. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand all the topics very well. Now complete question number 1 on you need copies. First you will make proper title page, then write down the first question, which is what information would you find out on a physical and a political map? Thank you.